Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will start chapter number 1 of chapter number 1, human organ system. First question here is that where and how digestion occurs. Digestion starts from mouth and ends at anus, and this whole process continues and this whole process will continue in the alimentary canal. This alimentary canal starts from the mouth. As we know that our mouth has teeth which will break down the food into small pieces, and saliva is present here for the digestion of the carbohydrates. Then tongue pushes these food to the back of the mouth. Next one is esophagus. Esophagus, as we know that it is a tube for food which carries food from mouth to stomach, and here is a peristaltic movement occurs here which move the food into downwards direction. Next one is stomach. Stomach, as we know that stomach is a J-shaped organ, and it is a food after passing from mouth and esophagus reached in the stomach. Here food spends 4 hours. Digestive juice is secreted by the walls of the stomach, and this digestive juice starts digestion of food, especially protein. This digestive juice also contain acid which kills germs which are present in food. Next one is small intestine. As we know that small intestine final digestion of food will occur here. 3 organs help in digestion of food here. First one is liver, and second one is pancreas, and third one is wall of small intestine. All of these help in digestion of food. In small intestine, finger-like projections villi are present here which absorb the food. Next one is large intestine. Undigested food is passed to the large intestine, and digestion of absorption of water will occur here. Disorders of the digestive system. First disorder of digestive system is diarrhea. As we know that diarrhea is caused by any infection when we eat contaminated food, and reaction of some medicine will cause diarrhea. What are the precautions of diarrhea? Don't eat uncooked food. Wash your hands before eating something and after coming from toilet. Wash all fruits and vegetables before cooking and eating. These are solutions or precautions of diarrhea. Next one is constipation. Constipation is a difficult passing of feces, and it occurs at least 3 or less than 3 times in a week. Causes of constipation are taking food low in fiber, lack of physical activity, not drinking enough water. What are the precautions? Precautions: adopt a proper lifestyle, eating lots of fiber food and drinking plenty of water. Respiratory system. Now we will see respiratory system. As we know that respiratory system involves in the process of the respiration. And what is respiration? Respiration is a process by which living organisms use oxygen to break food into smaller pieces and to produce energy. The process here is energy production. What are the parts which are involved in the respiratory system? First one is nose and throat. As we know that we take in air by our mouth. Then this air in nose, hair and mucus are present to moisten and clean the air. Then this air passes through the throat, and where our vocal cords are present. After this passes from the larynx where our vocal cords are present. Trachea. After passing from the larynx, air reached into the trachea. Trachea is made of C-shaped rings, and these rings also here are also mucus and hair present which clean and moisten the air. Next one is bronchi and lungs. Bronchi and lungs. Bronchus divide here. Bronchi and lungs. Trachea divide into two branches which is called bronchi and singular is called bronchus. Bronchus divided into bronchioles. These are smaller tubes. And at the end of bronchioles, tiny sacs are present which are called alveoli. Alveoli are the place where capillaries are present. Capillaries are founded around the alveoli and where exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occur here. Disorders of the respiratory system. Common cold. Common cold. What are the symptoms of the common cold? Sore throat, cough, running nose, congestion and sneezing, etc. There are no proper medicine is available for common cold. Only drinking a lot of water, liquids and take a lot of rest is a solution of common cold. Next one is pneumonia. Effects of pneumonia affects on the lungs and on which part of the lung? Alveoli are filled with pus, the main place where oxygen and exchange of air will occur here. Causes of the pneumonia are cough, fever, nasal congestion and chest pain. What are the solution of? Visit to your doctor first and use handkerchief and tissue to for coughing and sneezing. It's precautions.